Okay, we are here in the Bedford Iftar today, the biggest event for the Ramadan fasting. We have here with us the Mayor of Bedford, Mr. Dave Hodgson. Hello, Mr. Dave Hodgson. What would you like to say for this Iftar today? You have been?
Well, thank you very much for interviewing me, but actually thank you for all the sponsors, the people that have actually made this happen. It's really good to see so many people and such a tranquil atmosphere as people were fasting, praying, listening to Quran being read, and then obviously breaking their fast. So it's been an amazing event, as last year's was, or inside this year, and it's growing every year. So thank you all the people organising it, and I look forward to seeing you last year. And obviously later this month we look forward to Eid.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dave Hodgson. We have the Mayor, we have the MP of Bedford here, Mr. Mohammed Yassin of the Bedford Iftar today. Hello, Mr. Mohammed Yassin. What would you like to say of this fast event today?
Alhamdulillah, we had the second Street Iftar in Bedford this year. It was even better than last year. More and more people turned up. As you probably know, that Bedford is one of the most diverse towns in Europe after London, and we go 120 different nationalities and culture. People from different cultures live here, and they come together today to show solidarity with Muslim community, and they were here for the Iftar with the Muslim community. We are a diverse community. When it comes to diversity, we are very rich. This is our strength. We come together different occasions to help each other, and it's so fantastic. And Ramadan is a month of blessing. It's not only about fasting, it's also about resilience, patience, love, peace and harmony, and these people in Bedford are showing this today. So I'm very, very grateful to organizers who organized such a wonderful event, and I'm so pleased to be here today.
Yep, thank you very much, Mr. Mohammed Yassin.
Thank you so much.
Hello, we have here with us the Deputy Chief Commissioner, Mr. Dan here from Bedfordshire Police. Hello, Mr. Dan, what would you like to say of this Iftar fasting that you came to, please, in Bedford?
We've been here tonight in Bedford in the Corn Exchange having a really fantastic Iftar. It's great to see so many people out from not just the Muslim community in Bedford, but from across all communities in Bedfordshire. So thank you very much for all of the organisers putting on tonight's Iftar. We've been well fed and well looked after, and building a stronger community, which is what we're here to do.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Dan. That's the Bedfordshire Chief Deputy, Mr. Dan.
Thank you.